Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Milton Swiftron 260ml Tiffin box. This is a stainless steel Tiffin box that comes with reheating option. This can reheat food in 15 minutes. It has on-off indicator and compartment for electric cord as well. That's okay, so we have some extra information at the back. We have features: elegant sleek electric Tiffin that fits inside the bag, 2 stainless steel leak-proof containers, detachable power cord with attractive case, LED lamp to indicate power on-off, shock-proof body, thermostat for auto cut-off, 90 watts heater, reheats food in 15 minutes, operates on normal 230 volt domestic AC supply. Also comes with 1 year of warranty, and that's more or less it. I will open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. This particular smaller box, as you can see, this carries the power cable, the power cord. Let me just open it up for you. There you go. Okay, so very interesting. It comes with this particular groove as well, where you can wound the cable around like so. So this is basically for storage. Nice addition. So this is the power cable that comes with it. It has a 2-pin socket on one end. And this is the Milton Swiftron Tiffin box. It's written, oh, there's a couple of stickers that you can obviously take it off. The Milton logo can be seen over here. This has a blue and white color configuration, and it's made out of ABS plastic. At least the exterior is made out of ABS plastic. Underneath it's written, that power is 90 watts. So this comes with 90 watts of power output. So that's what's required to run this thing. I will open. Okay. Anything else? Okay, this is the power port over here. So this power cable goes in over here when you want to heat your food. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is a warranty note from Swiftron, from Milton in fact. There you go. There's also some key features for the Swiftron mentioned over here. So this is the interior. The interior is also made out of ABS plastic, as you can see. But there's a ceramic plate over here. So these are basically your heating plates which will heat your food, which are in these stainless steel bowls. These are food grade stainless steel bowls. So you can carry your food in these Tiffin boxes, put them inside and take them to your office, and when you want to eat it basically sometime later and the food is not warm anymore, you can heat it up by connecting this power cable to it and then connecting it to a power source, and it will take 15 minutes to heat your food. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Milton Swiftron 260ml Tiffin box set. Thank you for watching.